Hello everyone. Today I was craving something cheesy and crunchy. Then I thought, why not make the perfect garlic bread at home? So let's start. First, melt some butter in a pan, then add garlic and fry it gently for around 2 minutes until it gets slightly golden. Now, transfer this garlicky butter into a bowl. This will be our spread for the bread. Place 2 slices of bread in the pan and generously spread the garlic butter over the bread, making sure every corner is covered. Then sprinkle a good amount of cheese on top. Add a pinch of oregano and some chili flakes for extra flavor. Now cover the pan and cook on slow flame until the cheese melts and the bread turns crunchy. So our delicious garlic bread is ready here. Look at this crispy, cheesy, and absolutely perfect. Try it at home. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.